But I wonder if you gotta take your
The business of picking stocks is
turntable
dying.
out or whatever.
Well, I think it's going to be a slow death, Tyler.
Is it a dish?
Yeah, it's like a dish with a
It
lid.
looks like it's like a,
You know, those
oh,
Alright, so he actually didn't bring his parrots today. I thought he did, but he didn't. So I'm gonna take my fake parrot. I'm gonna put it downstairs and make it seem like his parrot. Here's the, let's go.
Oh, is that what it is?
ours comes on parchment paper,
Oh,
but if
okay.
you put it on parchment, it won't stick, cause you probably
Right,
have it
right.
sticking.
Yeah,
And you
I
won't
think I
wanna
just
put
tried
on
it
tin
cookie
foil.
sheet, you know?
Yeah,
Yeah.
parchment paper,
Okay.
cookie sheet.
I'll try that.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause I know I heard of cooking it in bake in the oven, you know, and I'm like, oh, I gotta try that.
Oh no, mine every day at work comes out amazing. I say right when you can smell the bacon.
What do you cook it at?
350, but it's 350 in a restaurant one, so it's probably closer to like 300 in a normal oven, cause ours are like way hotter.
Okay.
But we have, what's the brand name that
We'll have 2 seconds. Just tell me to get back up there.
I try to be cheap and then cheap bacon.
Right, right. But it's good.
Yeah,
You know, it don't matter.
Yeah. But the bacon from up north, we get this bacon that, it's like, I don't know, isn't it purple? It's like really thick.
Yeah, cause that's what I was buying and it's like I can't cook it, so I started buying the thin stuff and I can actually cook that a little better. You know what I mean? Cause it's like the thick stuff takes forever, you know, I'm like, come on, get done. Cause either I'm cooking it too hot or not hot